Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to make McDonald's in Infinite Craft. This is a very easy way. All you have to do is follow step by step. So we're gonna start with earth, and then we add wind to have dust. Then we add water to have mud. We add fire, now we have brick. Add brick to have wall. And then brick again, we have a house. So put it aside. We add house, add town. Now we have city. Put it aside. Get earth and put fire. We have lava. Add water to have stone. Put it aside. Now we add water. Brick to have glass. And then put the stone to the glass to have window. Now we add water to the window, we have aquarium. Add fire, we have fish. Fire again, we have sushi. Now we add house to the sushi, we have restaurant. And put the restaurant aside. We add glass and stone again to have window. And then we add restaurant and we have drive-through. Now we got the drive-through to the city and we have McDonald's. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.